Hello, I am Professor Sanjay Verma, faculty in Information Systems area at IIM Ahmedabad. I teach courses related to marketing analytics in Advanced Business Analytics program. In addition to tools and technologies which many of our colleagues offer to the students, I talk about the relevance of information to managers. Today, we have lot of applications running in any organization, may it be ERP or some kind of decision support systems or CRM software or data analytics software and many such tools. You may use programs such as Tableau for example or SAP for ERP for example. So, when we have so many tools, you can generate thousands and thousands of reports, but what is the purpose of those reports? Who is going to benefit from those reports? When should you give these reports to these managers? Should all reports be given to everyone or should they be given selectively? It is important to identify in advance the purpose of the reports for these managers. Otherwise, there will be a lot of clutter in the mind of these people and they will become confused. They would not know what will be the objective and benefit of each report. Therefore, in my endeavor, I try to educate to the students the purpose of each report and how is it related to their day-to-day activities. How would it help them to make decisions? What are the kind of problems it is going to solve for these managers? Otherwise, data mining is of no use if you cannot relate it to solve some managerial problem. And hence, IIM Ahmedabad, because we bring along with the tools and technologies the managerial relevance of these tools and technologies and the information that gets generated from the data. Do join IIM Ahmedabad if you want to bring in the managerial approach to business analytics. Thank you.